to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. It's Tuesday, March 30th, and I want to talk about two penny stocks that I believe have massive potential. And I think a lot of people originally, both these penny stocks, a lot of people I feel like were looking at these stocks, and I feel like they've kind of gone under the radar a bit. And I believe both these penny stocks do have massive potential. This is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. So let's just get right into it, you guys. The first stock I want to talk about that I think has massive potential is Novan, ticker symbol NOVN. And I think this is probably one of the more popular biotech penny stocks. It's been around, for a while, and it's sitting at $1.60 at the time of this video, so up 17% on the day. And I did let you guys know back about NOVN back at 79 cents back on January 4th, so quite a while ago. And I said this stock has massive potential then. And here we are at $1.60, and I still believe that to be very true. So first and foremost, I want to talk about some news that came out in regards to Novan. Was that President and CEO Paula B. Stafford bought $100,000 worth of shares. She bought 70,000 shares of Novan on March 26th at an average price of $1.43 per share. The total cost of this purchase was $101,000. So basically, the CEO and president bought more shares. So, insider trading. Usually, to me, this means something's on the horizon. Doesn't always mean, but I definitely think it's a very good sign, and it shows confidence in the leadership and the business model. And I just overall think it's a very positive sign for companies when there's insider trading like this. And it's a CEO obviously purchasing more shares. $100,000 worth of shares for a company like Novan is nothing. It's pretty serious. So again, definitely a catalyst there that I like in regards to Novan. But let's just talk about the company. So a few weeks ago, Novan, let me talk about them as a company. So Novan is a biotech company, like I said, one of the more popular ones. They've been in the market. A lot of people do talk about them. And Novan is a biotech company that translates the scientifically proven power of nitric oxide into innovative first-class therapies. Our proprietary platform advances research and development to improve dermatological, women's health, and gastrointestinal conditions, and more. So back a few weeks ago, actually, they announced the complete enrollment in its B Simple 4 and pivotal trial concerning SB206. So molluscum, as you can see here, it's already in phase 3. The acne vulgaris is in phase 3 as well. They have this pipeline chart here where you can see where their products are, and they have a vast variety of products. Okay, so if you can see your potential therapeutic applications of nitric oxide, multifactorial diseases, gastrointestinal diseases, viral infections, inflammatory skin diseases, fungal infections, medical aesthetics. So there's a lot of things that Novan believes nitric oxide can treat and be therapeutic for, and I think that's super interesting. I think for them to be targeting all these different types of ailments, I guess you could say, definitely interesting. And the company has said that they should have their results before the second quarter of this year for the SB206, which is probably here. It's in almost phase 3, and then SB206, the dermatological one, molluscum, it's already in phase 3 as well. And in 2020, Novan brought in almost around $5 million in revenue. And the majority of that $5 million actually came from an agreement with SATO, which involves a collaboration, licensing revenue, and other sort of milestone payments. And so for right now, Novan, you guys, their focus is on the SB206. And I think that if the SB206 fully, gets FDA approval, passes all 3 trial stages, and commercializes, they do talk about how there is a clinically unmet need for treating molluscum, and the SB206 could definitely be something that fills that void. I think, for these medical needs that are like unmet and clinically unmet, I think if there is a solution for them, we can definitely see the given stock company that is creating that therapeutic treatment to definitely go up. So again, I think a lot of people are bullish on Novan, especially with the insider purchasing of Novan stock by the CEO. I think we could see novan really pop off, and I definitely think novan is a penny stock to watch heading into April. Again, 2 days into April, market is closed this Friday, but definitely really like novan, especially the way it's closing out this month at $1.60 right now. I think massive things on the way for novan, and I really think this is a penny stock that has massive potential. So let's go ahead and talk about the other stock I want to talk about today that I still think has massive potential is GNUS Brands International, ticker symbol GNUS, currently sitting at $2.07 at the time of this video. Took a massive hit today, down about 20% on the day, and I want to talk about why. So let's get into it, you guys. GNUS Brands International is dedicated to creating and licensing animated programming that delivers content with a purpose for toddlers and tweens. And there was big news today in regards with GNUS because they announced Stan Lee content create collaboration with Marvel Studios. And as you can see here by this press release, GNUS Brands International announced today a collaboration with Marvel Studios, where Marvel Studios has licensed from GNUS Brands certain likeness rights to Stan Lee in support of exciting future marketing content celebrating the legacy of Marvel Studios. This initiative between GNUS Brands and Marvel Studios using the assets of Stan Lee is the first collaboration between the companies. The companies are also discussing ways to work together on other Stan-related initiatives in the future. GNUS Brands through Stan Lee Universe is recently announced a joint venture with POW Entertainment LLC, controls the Stan Lee name, the animated and live Stan Lee likeness, the Stan Lee signature, as well as a broad Stan Lee brand / Stan Lee presence, and a variety of Stan Lee properties created post-Marvel. So this news actually very interesting to me at least, but it really caused the stock to fall. I think this is one of those sell the news reactions from investors, and I still believe in GNUS Brands. This is something that I think right now, with the stock falling 20% today, is an opportunity to buy some more shares. If you are a believer in GNUS Brands, again, only buy stocks that you guys believe in. And if you are a believer in GNUS Brands, I do think this is a great time to enter at 20% down today. Again, this announcement came today and the stock fell. So it could be one of the sell the news reaction types that a lot of investors seem to be taking a part in for whatever reason. So, but also GNUS Brands, you guys, they did announce last week the announcement of Roblox and GNUS Brands, together, the new Roblox series from GNUS Brands. So according to the press release, GNUS Brands is teaming up with Tanky to create this new Roblox series. The series will feature some of the top influencers on Roblox, and it will also be exclusive to the company's cartoon channel streaming services. GNUS Brands notes that the new Roblox series will last 12 episodes and will premiere on the cartoon channel in June. GNUS has worked with Tanky for over 2 years to bring original content to its platform. However, this marks the first co-production between the two for cartoon channel. So this was announced, and this, really had GNUS Brands going crazy when it was announced on March 15th. And I really think so. Around this time is when it was announced, and it really started to climb. And back on March 24th, actually, end of last week, did hit $3.12, and it is completely dipped down today to $2.07. And back on January 27th, this stock was clearly past $3. So you guys, I definitely think a great time to buy into GNUS Brands, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and invest your money at your own risk. But with Roblox, you guys, and the Stan Lee deal, even though this stock is down, I think GNUS Brands continues to make moves in the right direction here. And I think, again, it is definitely has massive potential moving forward. So let me know in the comments below, you guys, how you guys feel about these two stocks that I'm talking about today, GNUS and NOVN. Again, both have massive potential in my opinion. Definitely put both stocks on your watch list if you don't have them on there already. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, you guys have a great day.